We are sneaking the poodle into IKEA. Gigi! Yeah, shame, she's shaking. This is fine. Make her a little bed. There we go, nice and soft. No, pick her up, pick her up. She looks like... We got a store employee. We got a rogue poodle. Gigi, I've got an idea. There. That looks like there's a bunny in it. What's the matter? Are you not comfortable? You not comfy? What poodle? Calm down, you're gonna have a cute overload. What's the matter? What's wrong? We couldn't leave you in the car. It's too hot out. This kid here is totally onto us. He's totally onto our shenanigans. Can we go now?
Yes. Meantime, I think you're getting yours.
So I guess we're just giving up on trying to be discreet about this whole thing, huh? She's gonna poop. Alright, Gigi. Here we go. Back in the car.